Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I am JF and this is part 8 of making a leaf. And we're almost coming up to the end here. Definitely starting to see our leaves take shape, and you're definitely starting to see the deviations between going through the basic idea of making a leaf and then going for what I'm trying to do, which is the more artistic, and I'm trying everything I can think of to try to make this as artistic as possible, just for the fact that I need practice. And that's why he is also going with the tried and true methods and not trying to go too crazy or be too fancy with it. He's just trying to get his first leaf finished, which is exactly what he should be doing. And me, I should have been doing these a lot more just for more practice sake. But you can see things start to take shape and it is going really well. So again, if you see anything that you do not agree with, or you think that I could have done better or explained better, please do leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you so much for checking this out. And we are nearing the end of this series, so thanks for sticking around, and I hope to see you on the next one. Have a good day. Alright, so it's okay. I just put it back in. I want the baby hammer. It's a little baby man. Trying to get into that corner there. Got that kind of like effect going on here. Well, this one's gonna go in, this one's going out, so I want to hit it right there-ish. Give it that. What's up?
I just had to. I was scrolling through my group.
It's a leaf. I know you can't touch it yet.
No, it's hot.
GoPro, stop recording.
So I was scrolling through, right, and this popped up. Okay.
Oh, sweet.
But anyway, I was sitting there and said, Isla, what's the bear? She goes, look at Daddy!
That's right.
Thought you'd appreciate that.
Say hi.
Have fun.
Don't mind.
We're trying to find plans for this coming up week, right? Alright, come on, yeah.
Love for everybody, man. All right, man. I love you. Bye-bye. Don't worry, I'm making the leaf. I'll get it to you. Well, I got something for both of you, okay? Right here, go inside. 1 second.
Daddy's gonna bring a present.
Aren't they adorable? You know, there's a guy I want to say, like, nah, I can't say that. Yeah. Oh, they're straight up cute, man. Alright, so these are rejects that I can't sell. But I can go ahead and hammer that in to try to make it into a heart. I always like these kids. They're alright. Well, see, the issue with guys liking kids is that they're kids and they're... Oh, darn, this needs to be cleaned. Okay. I'll make Alright, GoPro, start recording. Go ahead and do yours. Don't worry about those. What was I doing with it? I wanted to... that's what I wanted to do. I did the sliding motion. It's got like a really like yeah, good. Yeah, it happens the way that we're doing it. It just kind of shows up, and you're like, okay, this is it. That's round enough, I think. I don't think anything's gonna hurt them if they take it, but practice little reject hearts. They're not good enough, but they were just practice, so they're perfect gifts for the children. I'll make them something more amazing later. GoPro, stop recording. So it's kind of like go around here, kind of slide it a bit too much here, and then I can just hit the angle, the corners here, and then it'll sort it out a little bit. Yeah, good stuff. That's great. Alright, that's ready now. Go get mine. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, so this is, I'm at the final portion. Where my ball bead went. Oh, that's right there. Where? Right there. Oh! It was on the anvil stand. Look at me. I'm just trying to do a final little. Oh no! I broke it. Oh, did you? I totally broke it. It's not broken off, so I'm gonna leave it how it is. But I totally broke it. Totally snapped it. You can kind of see it. It's snapped right there. But it's good. I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to touch it. Okay. So now I have this, right? How am I going to go about turning this to what I want it to be? Because now I'm done. So now what I need to do is get it off to the side and turn this into a point. So I need to turn this into a point. So I'm going to be hammering here, and I want to do it, just hammer it here longer. Would a twisting work with that? So like if you grab like the center, you can twist it around that, like how you're holding it right now. Kind of, yes, but I want it to go, I want it to have that kind of tear out it's going to give. Okay. It gives a specific look to it. And if I can hit it in the right direction to get that tear out, like right here or something, yeah, then I can get it to have the point that I was originally trying to go through, potentially. Am I gonna mess it up? Maybe. Well, exactly. It's just ain't nothing to it, just do it. Alright? And I'll probably have to get the actual angles in for the leaf if I want to, with the just doing light taps with this hammer on the chisel so that I can get those lines. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Went the wrong way. usually listen to music, but I usually put my headphones in. But I'm with somebody. Good point. Hey, there's a dog. Oh, Bailey, Bailey! Bailey. Come on, it's the neighbors. GoPro, stop recording. Ah, yeah, there we go. GoPro, stop recording. It's getting in that shape. You can do that with a bigger hammer. If you want to make it a little bit quicker, but it does make it harder to be more precise. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, don't. I guess I'll just use the chisel. It's kind of getting to the point I want it, though not as like pointy as yours, because yours is kind of more triangle-y. Yeah, this one needs. I need to bend it down. Do that. I just get the tip hot, so don't stick it all the way in there. Stick it only where the tip is getting hot if you're working with the tip. Now, if you're trying to get it all hot, you know, put it in the center-ish, but it depends. Mine's as far as it is in there because I'm trying to get that middle piece, that beefy part taken care of. Yeah, because you're about to thin that down. Yeah, exactly. Got it just GoPro, stop recording.